All right, we've seen this before. Given the polynomial and one of its factors, find the remaining factors. We're dividing. There's two kinds of division. We just did long division. There's also synthetic division. It looks a little cooler. It might be a little faster. I kind of like the long division better, but it seems like your teacher likes synthetic division best. So let's just roll with that. So how I structure synthetic division is it looks kind of like this. The line here, and then some numbers here and a number there. So you've seen this before. Where I messed up when I was teaching this to you is when you have x minus 4, you don't put minus 4 in here. You actually put the opposite of what you see. So it's positive 4 up in this box. Why that is, real quick, if I have x minus 4 equals 0, what does x equal? X equals positive 4. So when we're given a factor like x minus in the form of x minus, you do the opposite. So if it's x plus 4, then we do x minus 4. But in this case, it's x minus 4. So we're going to do positive 4 up in this box. Okay? The rest you know. We bring down the coefficients. There's nothing there, so it's automatic 1. Negative 6, we bring down the sign. Here's what's important, and which we didn't get a chance to go over. X cubed, x squared, boom, 32. There's something missing here, right? And x, or just x to the first power. We need to put a placeholder there, even though there's nothing there. So we don't put 1, because there's no 1x squared there. We put 0. Because 0 times anything is 0. So there's nothing there. So we put a little 0 as a placeholder. As if x was in that. Sorry, x was in there. And then 32, which is the constant. So we go to town. Bring the first one down. 4 times 1 is 4. Add it up, negative 2. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. 0 plus negative 8 is negative 8. 4 times negative 8 is negative 32. 32 plus negative 32 is 0. Remainder, constant, x to the first, x squared. You always start back here. The last term is the remainder. We draw a little line there. And you go work up from there. So you go just like this, constant up, constant up. So constant, first x term, second x term, and the more you have, you just keep going, x cubed, x fourth, x fifth, x to the fifth, etc. So that's how you use synthetic division. Remember to put a placeholder if you're missing a term, like we did with this x. We had x cubed, x squared, no x, so we put a 0. And remember, when they're giving you a factor, you put the opposite in for the division term. Make sense? Hope this was helpful. And rock that test tomorrow. You got it.